And we on the road to 1,000 subscribers. I appreciate everybody who subscribed. Hey, y'all hit that subscribe button, man. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. Hey, what's up? It's your boy Zay, man. I'm back with another video. Hey, we at the day job today, man. Y'all usually catch me on a night job. This video, man, what I want to do, I want to go into just a little something, man, I've been working on. A lot of y'all know for the last couple of years, I've been working 2 jobs, both 40 hours a week. So right now I'm totaling 84 hours a week, every week. What I want to come to y'all today is, man, I'm working on putting out a product, man, that I created a couple of years ago, right around the time my daughter was born. I made some hair butter. I made it for myself and I made it for her. And then I had a couple, like my family members try it out, like, about 1.5 years, 2 years ago. For the last year, they have been begging me to make this hair butter again, saying that their hairs was starting to grow more full, more thick. It was saying as far as like the conditioning of their hair, they didn't have to put grease on it all the time, that it stayed moisturized and conditioned. So, the people that I had use it, one person in particular, they've got a lot of hair, and I had them use it for about a month. And still to right now, she's been asking me to make it again. And then I was thinking, a couple weeks back, man, I was like, man, how long am I gonna be working these 2 full-time jobs, man? Like it's tiring. It's a lot of hours, man. It's a lot of hours. So I said, man, I gotta figure out something. I needed something for myself. I gotta be working towards something for myself, and that way I can at least, a couple years from now, if I have to keep working 2 jobs, I got a little launch pad. So right now, the last couple weeks, I've been working on getting this hair butter to the market. I've got like the label and the packaging and all that stuff. And I want to show you guys just like my process, take you guys on just me like marketing, trying to get this product off of the ground, and you guys just actually see the experience of me roll this thing out and go from nothing to a little something or a lot of something. We'll figure it out once it gets there. I want you guys to just go through this and just take a look at what I'm doing. I'm gonna show you guys like the website. I've had a lot of different hairstyles, man. I've had locks, I've had waves. See, I got the burst mohawk. I'm starting my burst mohawk now. Yeah, I've had a lot of different hairstyles, and this was one that it's just always like been in the corner of my brain, man. But I've been procrastinating, man. I've been procrastinating. Like, this is one of the, it's just like working 2 jobs, man. It's really tiring, and you get to, you sleep when you can, and you have fun with the family when you can. And as good as, or as good as the idea it might be, man, to take that first step and just actually put it out there takes a lot, man. I'm not procrastinating no more. I'm done procrastinating. I already got the products at the house, so I can do the manufacturing portion of it. So I'm gonna show you guys me making the product, and during launch day, which will be, I've decided it's gonna be November 11th, 2023 is the day that I'm gonna launch this product. You can hit the description, check out my website, and if you want to pre-order, you can pre-order. And the first pre-order that I have, I'm going to package on camera, or the first order that I have, I'll make sure I package it on camera. Let's start with 1 sale, let's start with 1 sale, and then we'll go from there, So y'all stay tuned, and appreciate y'all for tuning in. We out.